Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Just watch out at the bottom for it appearing. We now go to the eye control, the telephone button, which is top right. Click telephone, got Bluetooth menu, and then it's defaulted to add new device. Click add new device. Please use your Bluetooth device to start searching. It'll come up here, there you go. So click on BMW 4159. Do you want to pair, Bluetooth pairing request, pair? Then you have to click OK over here on the screen. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I won't be using the car again, unless it's on my Range Rover, in which case I'll be in here faster than you can say whatever it is you say. So I've got to accept there, OK. I don't want to allow my contacts and favourites to sync, but you will. And as you can see on the dashboard there, Barry's iPhone 11 is activated and it's also switched on here. Thanks for watching.